Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Miss, my name is Abdul Roset Al-Hadi dengan NIM 17230-692, kelas 175C37, jurusan Teknologi Informasi. So now I will explain about the topic a computer and operating system and software. Number one, computer. A definition of computer. A computer is an electronic device used to process data into useful information. Simply put, a computer can revise data input, process, and produce output in the form information. For the example, when you type on keyboard or input, the computer processes the letters and display them on the screen or output. Okay, main function of a computer. A computer has several important functions such as processing data, converting raw data into meaningful information, storing data, saving data for short-term or RAM or random access memory, or long-term hard drive SSD use, enabling communication through the internet. Computer can send email, make video calls, and more. Running application such as word process, graphic design, program, or games. Main component of a computer. A computer consists of two main components. Is it hardware type, the physical part of a computer, such as a CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Software, the set of instructions or programs that tell the hardware what to do. Number two, software and operating system. Definition of software. Software is a collection of programs or instructions that direct a computer to perform specific tasks. Without software, hardware cannot function because it has no command to follow. Example of software is Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, Adobe Photoshop, and game like Minecraft and other. Type of software. Software can be divided into several types. Number one is a system software. This type manage the control the computer hardware so it can work properly. The most common example is an operating system such as Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Application software. This type is used to perform specific tasks required by user. For example, Microsoft Office for typing document, Adobe Photoshop for editing image, web browser like Google Chrome for internet browsing. Number three, utility software. Utility program help improve computer performance, such as antivirus software, system cleaners, and backup tools. Number three, operating system or OS. Definition of operating system. An operating system or OS is the main software that connect the user, software, and hardware. Without the OS, a computer cannot function because it manages all the basic activity within the system. Popular example of operating system include Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Operating main function of an operating system. An operating system performs several key functions. Managing hardware controls how the CPU, memory, and other devices operate efficiently. Running application. All programs run on the top of the operating system. Managing files and data handles file creation, storage, deletion, and organization. Providing user interface or UI allows user to interact with the computer through a graphical interface or UI with icon and windows. Maintaining security protect user data from unauthorized access and malware threats. Number 3, example of how an operating system works. To make it easier to understand, here an example of how an operating system works inside the computer. Starting the computer or booting. When you press the button power, the OS stored on the hard drive is loaded into the memory or RAM. This process is called booting. Running a program. When you open an application like Microsoft Word, the OS instructs the CPU to execute it and manage how it appears on the screen. Managing resource. The OS allocated resources such as memory and processor time so each running program works smoothly without interference. Saving files. When you click save, the OS determines where to store the file on the hard drive and ensure it's properly saved. Handling external device. When you plug in a USB flash drive or printer, the OS detect it and install the necessary drivers to make it work. In simple terms, the operating system acts as the traffic controller of the entire computer system, ensuring all parts work together efficiently. Relationship between computer software and operating system. These three components are independent. Number 1 is hardware is useless without software to give it an interaction. Number 2, software cannot run without an operating system managing it. Number 3, the operating system itself required hardware to function. For example, when you write a document in Microsoft Word, you open Microsoft Word, it's an application software. Word run on the Windows, it's a operating system. Windows manage the CPU, RAM, and monitor or hardware to display your work on the screen. Conclusion: a computer is an electronic device that processes data to information. To function properly, it requires software as the instruction set and operating system as the main controller between the user, software, and hardware. Without any of these three components, the computer system cannot operate efficiently. Oke, ini sekian dari penyampaian materi dari saya. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.